If you're facing issues with the backlight on your Samsung TV, you're not alone. It's a common problem. Here's a quick solution to resolve the issue. Method 1. Reset the TV. Start with the simplest step, a reset, and plug your TV for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This often fixes minor glitches related to power and backlight issues. Method 2. Check the or external devices. Sometimes, the backlight issue can be caused by a connected external device. Disconnect all external devices, HDMI cables, consoles, streaming boxes, and test the backlight with nothing connected. If it's back to normal, the issue might lie in one of the external devices. Method 3. Update the TV software. Keeping your TV's software updated is crucial for fixing bugs that might cause backlight problems. Go to the settings, and under the support menu, look for software update to ensure your TV is running the latest firmware. Method 4. Adjust backlight settings. Go to the picture settings on your TV and adjust the backlight level manually. Sometimes, high backlight settings can cause malfunction or premature failure. Lowering the backlight can help restore it. Method 5. Check power supply board. A faulty power supply board can lead to backlight issues. If you're comfortable, open up the TV and check for any signs of damage on the power supply board. A blown capacitor or burn marks are telltale signs. Method 6. Test LED backlight strips. The LED strips powering your TV's backlight can fail over time. You can test the LED strips with a multimeter or visual inspection. If some of the strips are faulty, they may need to be replaced entirely. Method 7. Check TCON board. The TCON timing control board regulates the signal to your backlight. A faulty TCON board may cause flickering or dimming. Replacing this board can often resolve backlight issues. Method 8. Inspect cable connections. Open the TV and check all the internal cable connections. Loose or improperly connected cables can disrupt power to the backlight system. Ensure everything is properly connected. Method 9. Test voltage to backlight. If you have a multimeter, you can check if the correct voltage is reaching the backlight. If no power is reaching the LEDs, the backlight driver may be faulty and in need of replacement.